Welcome to MBM classes. Today let me teach you area formula. This formula already are derived in different video. Now we will start exercise 7.3 using this area formula. Suppose if we have a triangle with coordinates A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 and C, x3, y3. So what is the formula for finding the area of this triangle? The formula is, this you call it as area formula, which is given by area of triangle is equal to modulus means we take only the numerical value, that is the positive value. So you have to, area of a triangle is always positive. So you put this modulus sign. Half into, first is x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Bracket closed, modulus closed. So this is this formula you call it as area formula. How to remember this formula? First you remember the variable. Outside the bracket it is x, inside the bracket it is y. So you can remember it like this also. You write 1, 2, 3. This is x, this is y and this is y. So if I start with 1, first is 1, then we go in line 1, 2, 3. That is x1, y2, y3. This is over. Second, if you are going to start with 2, it will be 2, 3, 1. Understood? Third will be, if you are going to start with 3, it will be 3, 1, 2. I think it's very easy to remember. First it is 1, 2, 3. Next you start with 2. So 2, 3, 1. Next you start with 3. So it is 3, 1, 2. In this way you can remember x1, y2, y3, x2, y3, y1 and x3, y1, y2. This is one way of remembering it. So x1, always it is x, y, y, x, y, y. Here also x, y, y. Now I will say you how to remember in the second way. So this is the formula. Area is equal to modulus of half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So bracket is closed and modulus is also written at the end. This is this first way you learned how to remember the formula. Let me teach you the second way. Suppose here if you are going to open the bracket, you will be able to see. So this is x1 into y2 and this is x1 into y3. Similarly here x2 into y3 minus x2 into y1. Here plus x3 into y1 minus x3 into y2. So this can be remembered easily by, you write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and again you repeat the first one, that is x1, y1 at the bottom. This is for positive column and similarly one more you make for negative column also, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Now what I am going to do is, in positive column I will be multiplying these like this. See the arrow. x1, y2, x2, y3 and x3, y1. So I will be writing this in the first bracket. This is x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y1. This is positive and let me write the negative also. While doing the negative, I will be going upwards like this. x1, y3, x3, y2 and x2, y1. So let me write it over here. x1 y3 plus x3 y2 plus x2 y1. So now these two brackets I am going to subtract. That is, I will be putting the value of all these x1, y2, all these values after putting, I will be adding it over here. Here also after putting, I will be adding it over here. Both the answers I will be subtracting. You will be worrying whether I got all the values. See, x1, y2 is here. Here also x1, y2 is here. x2, y3 is here. x2, y3 is here. x3, y1 is here. Here also x3, y1 is here. Coming over here, x1, y3. Next is x3, y2, x3, y2 and x2, y. All the values are here. I am grouping all the positive terms together and all the negative terms together. Both I am adding and finally I am subtracting. This is one more method to remember the formula. Both you do separately and subtract the answers. So let us now see how to do the exercise. Now we will move on to exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. First draw a triangle. For this triangle we have to find the area and write the coordinates over here. A as 2, 3, B as minus 1, 0 and C as 2, minus 4. So first I am going to do directly by the formula method. Second method I will show you how to do it by the second one, that is to a shortcut method. So first let me write the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, write the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Bracket close, write the modulus over here. Modulus means you have to take the positive value since the area cannot be negative. Now I am going to put all the values over here. Modulus of half into, what is x1? x1 is 2 and y2 is 0 minus of minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 0. So this is equal to modulus of half into, what is 2 into 4? 2 into 4 is, because minus into minus will become plus. So 2 into 4 will become 8. Second one, minus 1 into minus 7 is plus 7 and 2 into 3 is 6. So this is equal to modulus of half into 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So which is equal to 21 upon 2 square units. So this is how you got the formula, value of, that is, you got the area of triangle ABC directly in the formula method. So if you can remember the formula, it's well and good. Directly you can do like this. It's also very easy to remember. As I said, first is 1, 2, 3. You see, 1, 2, 3. Second one, if you are going to start with 2, so 2, 3 will come over here. Next one. Next, if I am going to start with 3 over here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's very easy. You write it over here, x, y, 1. So x1, y2 minus y3, x2, y3 minus y1 and x3, y1 minus y2. This is also very easy to remember. This also you can remember. Second one, second sum in the first one, I will explain you how to do it by the other method now. Now second sum, this is a triangle ABC. The coordinates of A, B and C are given. So we have to find the area of this triangle. I will teach you by the second method, easiest method. So first you write, as I told you have to write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and again you repeat x1, y1. Same over here, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. This is positive column. This is arrow upward, arrow downwards. And here arrow upwards. So what I am going to do is, first I have to do the arrow downwards over here. So first write the replace the values x1, y1. So it is minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. And here again I have to repeat minus 5, minus 1. So first arrow downwards. So how will you put the arrows? Likewise. So can I multiply the values over here? Orally you can multiply. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. 3 into 2 plus 6. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Got it? Same way you find the values over here. You write the values over here. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2, minus 5, minus 1. Now the arrow will go upwards. So here like this, minus 5 and 2, 5 and minus 5, 3 and minus 1. So again we will be multiplying the values over here. See, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, 5 into minus 5, minus 25, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. The thing is, these two steps we have to subtract the values. So what is 25 plus 6 is 31. 31 minus 5 is 26. I am getting 26 over here. Minus 10 minus 25 minus 3 will be minus 38. So this is equal to 26 plus 38, which is equal to 64. But our formula is half into area will be equal to modulus of half into 64. So this is equal to half into 30. 64 is what? Half and 64 if you are going to cut. 2 and 64 will be getting 32. So my answer is 32 square units. So whichever method you feel easy, you can do. You can multiply the formula also and write it over here. If you need to write the formula, you write the formula here. x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 over here. Formula is, you got the formula over here, and here also x1 y3 plus x3 y2 minus plus x2 y1. So both the formula you got, and finally you can divide it by half by taking the modulus. This is also one more method. Whichever method you feel easy, you can do. This is the easiest method for remembering the formula. Now we'll move on to second question. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. First you have to understand what is the meaning of collinear. Collinear means points will be in a straight line. This we have seen in the first exercise 7.1 also. If all the points are in a straight line, will there be any triangle? There will not be any triangle. No triangle will be there if the points are collinear. So what is the condition we have to write? That means area of the triangle will be equal to 0. When there is no triangle, how can you find the area of a triangle? So area of the triangle will be equal to 0. So you have to say the condition that if the points are in collinear, area of a triangle is equal to 0. So you have to write the reason first. If the 3 points A, B and C are in collinear, then the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. This is the most important point. So you have to write the formula first. What is area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y3 minus y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Put the modulus over here. Here they are saying area of the triangle is equal to 0. So area is equal to 0 means you put the 0 value over here. So let me replace the values over here. Half into what is x1? It is 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into 1 minus k. So 0 is equal to, let us multiply by point, half into 7 into 1 is 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 plus 3 minus 3k. Now when half it is going to the other side, it will become 0. So 0 into half will be 0 only. So we will take only these values. What is 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. And minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. And minus 2k minus 3k will be minus 5k. So we can write, implies minus 5k is equal to minus 20. Or k is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. So the value of k is equal to 4. If the value of k is equal to 4, then we can say the 3 points are they are collinear and no triangle can be formed. So the area of triangle will be equal to 0. So whenever you get the question as collinear, immediately you write area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Even in the first exercise you have proved by distance formula, but this formula it's very easy to show that the 3 points are in collinear. So we will move to the second question, second part, which is also the same type. We have to prove these 3 points are in collinear. So as I said earlier, if they are collinear, we have to write the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So let us write, if the points A, B, C, so you can name this as A, B and C, are collinear, then the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So write it over here, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So what is the formula here? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So let me put the values now. Half into 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 equal to 0. This half I can remove because half into 0 will be equal to 0. So let us write these values only. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. K into minus 6 plus 2 into 5 is 10 equal to 0. So minus 6k plus 18 equal to 0, or minus 6k is equal to minus 18, or k is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 6, which is equal to 3. So this is the value of k where the 3 points A, B, C are collinear. So whenever you get a question of collinear, do by area formula method. It will be very easy instead of doing it by distance formula.